You wore the cowboy hat. Do you have a cowgirl job?
Yeah.
You do. What do you do?
Ranch help.
Ranch help.
I also
Oh, that used to be called something way different. Sorry, 6 black people that are here. I do apologize. My man. How old are you?
I can't legally say it.
You can't legally say it? Well, this conversation's over. All right. Hello, Diddy? Yeah, one got out. Yeah. She's been on a farm? Yeah. I'll get her back. You're 18. Okay, sorry. You're not gonna want her. Nah. Yeah, you're